Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
So, I'm your student nurse for today. I'm Chanel. May I know your name?
I'm Jared.
Okay, Jared. So, today I'm going to teach you some deep breathing and coughing exercise. Is that okay with you?
Okay.
Okay. Today, I am going to be teaching you some deep breathing and coughing exercise, which is very helpful to you to clear out your lungs, okay?
Okay.
So, we'll start off by sitting you nice and straight, okay? Please. Okay, now what I'd like you to do is that breathe through your nose and then out to your pursed lips, okay? Like this. Okay, it's your turn. Okay, that was nice, but I'd like you to breathe in more. I'd like your ribs to expand as the air fill up your lungs, okay? Again. Okay, very good. Can you do it 2 more times? Okay, that's it. Now, when you take a deep breath, I'd like you to hold it for 3 seconds and slowly exhale it, like this. Got it?
Okay.
Okay, it's your turn. 1, 2, 3. Again, can you slowly exhale it? Again. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. Okay, very good. Now, in addition to your deep breathing, it is important also to cough regularly as well. So now I suggest you hold a pillow which will provide support and alleviate some discomfort. You will do it like this. Start off by breathing through your nose and cough twice. Okay, that was a good start. So I suggest that you will repeat this exercise 3 to 5 times per hour while you are awake. So do you have any questions?
No.
Okay, so that's it. So thank you for cooperating. Enjoy your day.
Thank you.